Hey man, what you doing here?
I'm gonna vacuum something.
You're gonna vacuum the bag, okay? First, open the bag up. Open the nozzle. Yeah, that's it. The portal, I guess you call it. Oh, careful! Just turn it. Turn the cap off. Yeah, that's it. Okay, now grab the vacuum. Be careful, okay? Position the nozzle on the hole above the valve. Okay, be careful, Ike. All right, ready? And then you know how to turn on the vacuum? Okay, go for it.
This?
Yeah, push it forward.
That?
Yep. Very good, man. Working. Keep going. You see what's happening?
It's
Moving. All right, that's enough. Cover it quick. Cover it fast. Yeah, that's it. That's it. You got it. Thank you. Ike. Cool, man. Did you close it? Okay, sounds like it. The other way. Yeah, that's it. Okay. We done?
Bye-bye. Stay in touch and don't forget to subscribe. Watch you next time.